We will call this full stack working e-commerce page. It fully works. So if I click here, acquire now, it's going to say processing, and it will push me to the Stripe checkout, and everything here works. So first, if you need e-commerce development services, check my portfolio and contact below. And then, so the first thing, we're going to set up the backend. Now, backend is going to be the same as this tutorial right here, full stack e-commerce store, NextJS, React, Stripe. I'm going to leave the link to this in the description below, so you can just watch the first part. It's around 5 minutes. And then we're just going to do the front end here. So we're going to code everything into this component, products3, and then pass in these products. So you're going to have everything set up here just in the main page. So in the app page TSX, you're just going to put in this component that we are creating, and let's code it now. I think I need to go here. So I made this component, and let's start. So use client and import all of this. This is from shardcn that you installed in the previous tutorial, in this tutorial that I will link. And then define interface for the product, ID, name, images, price, everything. And then interface for this component. And let's give it the interface, and then extract products, export default, and we will set is loading. So we're just going to need this variable is loading. This is when we click the product, it's going to say loading and then push to Stripe page. Handle buy now. So this is same as in the other tutorial. We already explained more in details. Basically, we will set this to be loading when we click buy now, and then we have try catch. We will call our API that I explained in the other tutorial, and we will get some URL. So we're gonna get URL as a response. This is the Stripe checkout URL, and we will push the user to that URL. And if there is an error, we will just log this error. Scroll to element. So when I click this button, it's gonna scroll down. So when I click it, we need to get element by ID products, and we will just scroll down. Return div section div title, and then P for paragraph, and then button discover collection. So right here, this is the hero section. Below that, let's go and create this chevron icon. So this is this icon that's moving. Below, let's go and create another section, give it ID products. This will be featured innovations. And then we need to just list these products. So div, let's map the products. Card, div, image. So this is image of the product. And then below this div. And then we have product name, currency, price. And below we have product footer that has the button. So this button, it says acquire now, but when I click, it's going to say processing. So it's going to be disabled if it's loading. If I click it, it's going to be disabled. So if is loading is this button. So is loading can be any button, but if it's this button, then we're going to say processing. Otherwise, we're going to say acquire now. And that's it. That's it. That's it. So it's working now. If you need e-commerce development services, check my portfolio below, and thank you for watching. See you in the next video.